So this week we're going to be looking at problem solving in maths. We've done this last term. So we're going to be doing addition and subtraction, plusing and minusing for both, okay? And we're going to do some breaking down of problem solving sentences. So just for today, it's going to be simple and easy, just to remind you of what we did last term. Okay, so remember, you're going to read the sentence, the word problem, and then you're going to draw this table. Remember I showed you, and then on top you do number, sign, picture, the sum for the word problem, and the answer. Okay, and as you're reading, you can, everybody's different, but as you're reading you can fill in what's the numbers, and then remember, sign is to show us is it plusing or minus. Numbers is just to see what numbers are in the word problem. Pictures help you draw out the pictures to see how to get to the answer. Then you do your sum, and finally you can get to your answer. Okay, so just one thing I need you to remember is that everybody is different. Sometimes somebody can read a number sentence and they find it easy to start with the picture first. Okay, some people like to look at how to get the answer first. So you can read your number word problem, and then you can draw the picture, and then you can maybe go and do the sum or fill in the answer. Okay, but some people do start with picture. So for now I'm just going to show you how we're going to do this one, and then you're going to get a worksheet on word problems. Please use this table and for every one of them, and then you fill in and you get your answers. Okay, so this one says, during spring my plants grew. 10 grew this week, and then 5 more a day later. How many grew altogether? That's supposed to be a question mark, sorry. Okay, again, during spring my plants grew. 10 grew this week, and then 5 more a day later. How many grew altogether? So I did explain to you that when you come to a word problem, just look, you need to see what numbers are in the word problem. So our first number here as we're reading is the number 10. So we find the number 10 there and we write it down. 10 grew this week, and then 5 more, and the next number is 5. Okay, now sign tells you, is it plus or minus? Okay, is it plus or minus? Plusing means it's more, you put in more. Minus means you're taking away. Okay, some word problems, they have both plusing and minusing. Okay, but for now we're just going to look at plusing, addition. And with plusing, remember there's different words that we can use when we explain in plusing, or when we talk about plusing. We can use words like more, or growing, or altogether. Okay, but you have to read the sentence. You have to read what you're writing, what's written down. Okay, so here I know that it's a plus sentence because it talks about 10 grew this week, and then 5 more a day later. But the question they're asking you is that how many grew altogether? Okay, this word grew is explaining, and altogether means they're asking you all together. You need to count and plus them together to find out how many grew. That's how I know. Okay, so I'll just put here that the sign is plus. And if it helps you, you can write why you think it's plus. You can say 5 more, which speaks about there, or you can say grew. Okay, or all together. And then the picture. So my picture, as I'm reading, it says 10 grew this week. So that's what I'm going to first draw. That's the first thing I draw, is that I draw 10. So I can draw remember also when you draw in the picture, remember last week I showed you that if you draw something like this, it's a block, you already know that this means 100 in there. And if you draw a small rectangle like that, you already know that's 10. And if you just draw one block, that's 1. Okay, so that can also help you when you come in to draw your pictures. Instead of drawing like 10 ones like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can just draw it like this. Okay, it's just quicker for you. So here it says 10 grew this week. So I'm just gonna draw my 10. Here's my 10. Okay, remember I know that that is 10 in there. If you're still struggling with this and to remember that this is 10, then you can, I'm just gonna draw a line like that, then you can draw it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then it says, and then 5 more a day later. So now I need to draw 5 more. So I draw 5 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So it is my picture, and if I look at that picture, I can already have an answer of what's the answer altogether. Okay, or if I look at it like that. So then I come next to my sum. So what do I need to do? Remember, it's a plus sum, so it will be a plus in there. So the first number is 10 because I had 10, and then plus, so I added, or I put 5 more is equal to. Okay, don't put your answer yet, the answer will come here. So 10 plus 5, so you're going to go there and say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and that is my answer. Okay, so yeah, that's how we do this table. I hope that you all remember, and remember to do these circles and in an organized way to help you with your picture. Okay, I'm gonna send a worksheet for you to do some problem solving. Okay, thank you.